Hey everybody, it's been a while, and I've done some modifications to the Prius, like, you know, the solar panel, the roof rack, stuff like that, but that is not the big announcement. Anyways, are you ready for the big announcement? Here it is. I got a van. Now you might be saying, but Andrew, you've had a van before. And yes, I've had the Volkswagen Westfalia, I've had the adventure van, which was the Dodge 1500 conversion van, but this is next level. So this is a Dodge 2500 high roof ProMaster, 159-inch wheelbase. It's not the extended one, so it will still fit into a normal parking lot. And let me show you this. This thing is a clean slate. Look at just all the room we have in here. And one of the great things is I can actually stand up. And I've got plenty of room, as you can see. I mean, I'm sure if you've seen like these YouTube videos of these vans, you already know high roof ProMaster. It's got plenty of room in it, but with that, it also has plenty of possibilities. Let me show you my layout. So yes, this does mean that it's time to do a van build. And so back here in the ProMaster, you can actually sleep lengthwise, like widthwise of the van right here. So you can sleep from this side, head to toe. And it's long enough for that. And so the mattress that I'm gonna get will actually come out to about right here. It's a full-size mattress, so it's not, you know, it's not quite the size of a queen, but it's definitely bigger than a twin. And so with that, I'll be able to fit the cot-size mattress that's in my Prius right here and have a couch slash guest bed. That's the current idea. And now stay with me here. Right here, now keep in mind the mattress will end right about here-ish. And so from here over to mid-door, that's where the kitchen, like the countertop and the sink, all that type of stuff would go. And then, right on the end of that, another section of countertop that flips up. So that way it extends the countertop out a bit, and I can use this whole area for the guest bed slash couch. So get ready for this van build out. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do like daily build vlogs or if I'm just going to take video as I go and put it out. I'm not sure yet, but I'm waiting for some parts to get in. Particularly right now, I'm waiting for the kill mat to get in. The kill mat is basically a sound dampening system, so that way you just kind of stick it to the walls inside the van, the bare cargo van walls, and then it will block out a lot of that road noise before I go ahead and put my installation and finally the interior boards on. Anyways, stay tuned. It's going to be very exciting.